tapping?
That's tapping.
Oh, that's like, who's tap dancing?
No, there's tapping over there.
Where?
Over there, somewhere. Over here.
Who's tap dancing? I didn't give you permission to tap dance.
For my own safety, I'm going to stay in between you guys. Because they can't take me out without first alerting one of you two. Wait,
if I have to,
Lewis, turn around.
I will trip you off if I have to save myself.